Hello everyone, let's start the presentation. Have you ever felt not convinced about your ability? Or have you ever want to always practice your ability? In fact, according to Loster, confidence in one's abilities is gained through experience. 70% of 269 people saw that experience significantly influences one's abilities. 8 per 10 people express the experience of attending workshops and seminars is the right choice to be confident in their abilities. Lack of experience can be a reason for uncertainty. To overcome these problems, don't be hesitant to attend a workshop or seminars. Workshop or seminar is an experience that can fight the feeling of uncertainty about one's abilities. The workshop is useful for convincing our skills, improving communication skills, networking with others, and renewing motivation and confidence. And now, we come to help you. We making platform named ProvedIn. It provides a ticketing platform for workshops and seminars, carrying out the mission of educating someone to improve their abilities by attending workshop or seminar in the easy way.
So, our product is offline seminar. We provide many talks, information with different them. We collaborate with event organizer of workshop and seminars, input their poster and content in our website so users can access and see the complete information about workshop and seminars in our website. And the second is online seminar. We provide inspiring online talks information. During this pandemic COVID-19, we have held 2 free online seminars in last 2 weeks. Our core value is integrity, people, and quality. In integrity, we uphold high accountability transparency standards. In people, we treat everyone to have some valid information. And the last value is quality. We continuously improve and strive for equality in everything we do. Our competitor, there are 3 our competitor. The first one is Eventbrite, Locket.com, and Skill Academy. We provide information of offline seminars that Skill Academy doesn't have it. The second is we provide online seminars that Eventbrite and Locket.com maybe doesn't have it. We provide full variant of seminars and different topics with unique method of offering and describe the topics with interesting speakers also. And last is seminar request. The users of ProvedIn can request the topic of seminars or workshop that they want, and ProvedIn will discuss it with event organizers so we can provide it to our customers. So there are 2 types of business model from ProvedIn. The first one is B2B. For B2B, we earn sharing profit 10% from workshop and seminar event organizer. We also provide online and offline seminar info from event organizer. The second type of business model by ProvedIn is business to customer, or we call B2C. We having 2 type of service, membership and non-membership. And we also receive advertisement so that other can advertise their advertisement in our website.
ProvedIn starts from Bandung and for a greater than 17 years old, someone who has a thirst for knowledge, and for high school student, co-student, and job seeker. And then for target market growth, 100 users open the website per week, 10 collaboration offline seminar per month, and 10 online seminar collaboration per month. In this during pandemic, we made online seminar and organized by ProvedIn.
To reach user engagement and due to pandemic COVID-19, we have organized 2 seminars from home. The first seminar theme was about COVID-19 pandemic. Siapkah tenaga medis kita? It's held on Saturday, April 18, 2020. And it's followed by 58 participants. And the second is about pengenalan investasi and perencanaan keuangan. It's held on Saturday, April 26, 2020. And it's followed by 62 participants. The total participant of both seminar was increased from 58 to 62 people. And the customer satisfaction index, based on feedback we get, participant interaction during seminar, and Instagram engagement was very good, and it's continued to increase. So this is ProvedIn team. ProvedIn was founded by 4 people. The first is Joshua as CEO, and the second is Marsha as CFO. She will manage everything about finance. And next is Rani as COO. She will manage operation. And the last is me, Mokfir Izani as CMO. I will manage marketing of ProvedIn. And ProvedIn already has a website. You can visit us at provedin.com. We based in Bandung, and our target market is millennial, which are greater than 17 years old, and our investment need is 50 million rupiah. And this number was based on several consideration. The first is for build our own website, and it's also for do promotion in many paid media. We're planning to do Google advertising and paid promote with some influencer. Next, we need it to do collaboration with many insightful speaker, and the last is to making design branding. So you can contact us with email at proofmanagement@gmail.com. Our contact person on 081267988710, and you can also visit our website in www.proofstripin.com. And that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.